Hey, so hi guys, welcome back. I'm always saying welcome back, but anyways, today is 2:43 and it is January 31, 2025. So this is going to be my continuation of my vlog this morning kasi na-stop siya. It's because of I have to do something. I mean, I'm late na kasi as what I have said earlier, we are going to eat our breakfast downstairs. So, ayun, I am currently having my coffee. No, this one is tea made by Ahmed, and he is currently outside because sabi niya gusto niyang gumawa ng pasta with prawns. So, maghanap siya ng prawns. Hindi na ako sumama. It's because I have to get my rest. You know, I wanted to watch this TV kasi bukas I'm going back to my work. Ayan, work is real na naman, and probably I'm going to be very tired again, so I was not able to update you again. But anyways, I will try my best. Today is the end of the month of January, and Ahmed will come back on his country on February 12 exactly in the morning. So wala na siya guys dito for February 12, and I told my mom to come here kasi sabi niya i-free or parang ano na din, presence niya din for my mom na pumunta dito sa Boracay. Not just for free, this place, this is actually really good place kasi sobrang calm. And wala, relaxing lang. So probably I'm going to my mom will enjoy here. So she gonna stay here for more than a week, and hopefully she gonna enjoy it. I am still thinking kung ano yung dapat kong gawin kasi I will be having my duty and sobra akong mapapagod that time. I will be basta pagod ako that time. Kasi for sure, kasi working, you know already how many hours I was there on my workplace. So 11.5 hours. Imagine, it is going to be very tiring for sure for me, but I will try my best. So yeah, parang nasanay na din ako kasi Ahmed is taking good care of me very good for 3 months when he was here. Ayan, sobra niya talagang, basta sobrang ano, like pagluluto, ganyan, and he always visiting me on my workplace. So, ay nakakataba ng puso sometimes, 'di ba? Parang back to teenagers na naman ang ante niya. But anyway, ayan, so magpapasta kami mamaya with prawns. Hopefully, he can find prawns. I have to check if meron siyang chat sa akin. Kasi right now, he is in the mall. He is trying to looking for prawns. Kasi we are not sure if he can find it in Talipapa. So, yeah, let's wait. And later on, mga 4, ayan, lalabas kami kasi probably this is going to be the last naman na labas namin together na hindi ako pagod, ganyan. Kasi since bukas na magsa-start yung work ko, it's going to be different again. Kasi let's say for example, yung duty ko will be 5:30 a.m. until 1. So break time ko siya guys. And 1 to 5, I can spend time with him. So until 10. So 10 until 10 yung work ko, and then the rest na. So I'm gonna be very tired, and yeah, so hopefully he enjoy the rest. He enjoy his 3 months stay here in the Philippines. We've been together for that month, and yeah, he said he enjoyed it so much. But I'm not sure kasi minsan binibigyan ko siya ng sakit sa ulo. But I think it's a natural one kasi nga, my sort of things na I don't want to tell it here right now. Yeah, but if you're following me, you know what it is. and you will understand what it is. But anyway guys, I have to drink this tea kasi nag-ano na siya, na-cold na to maya-maya. Ayan, masasanay tayo dahil sanay na talaga ako na siya palagi yung gumagawa ng tea like that, coffee, preparing my breakfast, lunch, dinner. Ayan, so, I don't know, for 8 months, kasi 8 months, it's going to be very long time, 8 months. And, hindi ko alam, going to be very sad. For sure, I'm going to um, cry, kasi nga, para nasanay na din ako for this. Yung pag-spoil niya, I told him that he's spoiling me so much. That's why I'm gonna be very sad. Um, yeah, but it is life. Kailangan niya din na magtrabaho, he needs to work for life. So, yeah, I don't know if he's really, if he loves me that much or something like that. Kasi feeling ko naman, he loves me that much. But let's see, because everything's changed, everything's changed. But, yeah, so, for the moment, enjoy lang muna natin all of this. Kasi wala naman, we're just human, and then, yeah, everything's changed. So, that's it. Alright, so, ayan. When I started to stop my work, January 1, I spend my days every hour with him for a month na din. For months na din kami na magkasama every time. We're just enjoying the beach, the nature, especially yung foods niya. Mahilig siya guys magluto. And he prefer to cook by himself because he knows that it's clean, it's sure, he cook it well. And no cockroaches, nothing like that. Kasi, yeah, he wanted it. Is that kind of person na gusto niya talaga na siya yung makikita or siya yung nagluluto to make sure na ayos and healthy, clean yung kinakain niya. So, that's him. And me, I enjoy so much kasi ang dami-dami kong na what's this called? Ang dami-dami kong nakain na hindi ko pa nakakain before. Yung style ng pagluto niya is different here than Philippines. So, if you know Turkish people are like more foods on the table. Hindi lang yung isa, rice, and then isang ulam, tig-isa man na halimbawa na manok, something like that. But in them, they cannot eat with that kind of things. Yung mas nila is, for example, 4, 5 pieces each for you, for me, and for him. So ayun, much more yung meat than rice, and sometimes one rice like that. But in the morning, mas sila guys, like egg, more healthy, egg lang, olives, honey, bread, and that's it. Some mints on the eggs, Yun lang. So, super healthy nila talaga. And they are looking for themselves. Like him, I really like how he take good care of himself. And of course, he is taking good care of me as well. Siya palagi nagluluto and all of that. So, feeling ko talaga, I have this good feeling, because I know that he can take good care of me, and yeah, those things. Basta, so, yeah, I like his love language, and yeah, everything about him. Hindi ko naman din inaasahan na he will came into my life kasi ang dami-dami din ng mga trials, naging mga sadness, sorrows ko in life. But this time, I think he's sincere naman. But let's still see. Kasi meron din kami mga arguments a lot. Sometimes, small things. But hopefully everything's feels good, doing good, something like that. Kasi, basta, I just want to document all the things, all my feelings about my life. Actually, ayaw niya to eh. He don't like this kind of things, documenting or something. What I'm gonna do, what is that for? That's why. So, yeah, but I like it. I told him I like taking pictures, taking videos, and so on like that. So, yeah. I hope he's, he will accept, he will accept it. No worries. But I don't know, maybe he will accept it a little further later. Kasi gusto ko lang din naman, it's one of my stress, um, stress reliever things, yung makapag-usap, yung gawa ng vlog, makapagawa ng other things, in life, and then shared some things about me, what's going on in my life and so on. So, yeah, wish me luck guys kasi tomorrow babalik na ako sa aking trabaho, and at the same time, I have to spend some time um, for my boyfriend as well. So, hopefully he's gonna be okay kasi I wish that he is going to be okay, and yeah, that's it. And what's funny is because he's always thinking of me. Sabi niya sa akin 3 days ago, sabi niya, what about me if he's come back in his country? Sino yung magluluto? And sino yung magluluto kasi yung kinakain ko daw puro mamantika, and sabi niya it's much better if he's here because he can take good care of me, but yeah, it is life, he has to work, as what I have said, and yeah, that's it, it's life, if I'm willing, and if I'm he said that if I'm really in love with him, then I have to wait for that long month, 8 months. So that's going to be very long. It's going to be challenging, yeah. But maybe love no challenge or something like that. But love can wait. So yeah, let's see guys, and I think that's all for this video for now. What I'm gonna do is just to compile all the videos kasi wala na akong time for compiling everything kasi babalik na tayo ng work tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching, and see you sa next vlog ko. Bye bye.